Namaste. You might think that cloud computing is hard or some rocket science, but after watching this video, I can make you sure that you will have a clear idea of what is cloud computing such that you can tell others also. And what if I tell you that you are already using cloud computing daily without knowing about it? Gmail, YouTube, Google Maps, Google Drive, Google Docs and all other Google services, Amazon, Netflix, Disney+, PayPal, Spotify, Kindle, OneDrive, and the name will continue to come to my mind. So now let's understand why these big companies are using the cloud and what exactly cloud computing is. To understand what cloud computing is, first you need to understand the problem we faced before the arrival of cloud computing and what did it solve with its arrival. As the world is becoming more digital day by day, all companies want to give their presence online, which required to set up IT infrastructure. For that, they have two choices, either to set it on-premise or use the cloud. Cloud has a pay-as-you-go model, which means you just have to pay only for the resources you are using. While in on-premise servers, we pay everything upfront, and there is an additional operating cost to maintain the racks of servers. Also, we need round-the-clock electricity for power and cooling, and the IT expert team for managing the infrastructure. And even you have to worry about other things like rodents which can cut off your data cable, fire and other physical damages. In cloud, you don't need to worry about these as they back up their data at different places. In on-premises, a lot of space is required for setting of the servers, but in cloud, not such space requirement is needed for the organization. With cloud, resources can be updated for new technologies in minutes, while it is very difficult to on-premises to update after setup. With on-premises, working globally and sharing data is a tedious work. But with the cloud, there are a lot of tools and technologies available that make it very easy to work and share the data with other team members. So now you can summarize that cloud computing is the on-demand delivery of the resources over the internet with pay-as-you-go pricing. Instead of buying, owning and maintaining physical data centers and servers, you can access technology services such as computing power, storage, database as per your requirement from a cloud provider like AWS, Amazon Web Service, Microsoft Azure and Google Cloud Platform. If you are interested in cloud, you can watch our other videos. Link will be available in the description. And don't forget to subscribe my channel.